Who's gonna have the man? Who's gonna have the dinner, the butter? Who's gonna have the bed? The Brian Show is gonna save the day. The Brian Show, the Brian, he saves the day. The Brian Show. It's Saturday. We're 4 hours to explore the wilderness of the creek. It belongs to nothing. Yeah. Nothing. And 4 hours. Listening to stand up. Pepper. Oh, jeez. What am Marcel? What, Marcel?
Do you need to go home and change?
Do you need to go home and change? Nah, it's cool, it's cool. Oh no. I got my underwear wet. Oh shoot, Jesus Christ, it's making me. Oh. Laura.
I just cleaned the house yesterday. There's no way I'm letting you inside wearing those wet clothes.
Alright, well then.
JP, no! You can't just get in the buff out here in the open.
Why? What's wrong?
Wow, what's wrong with it? I just trying to take my clothes off. Beautiful.
But the neighbors talk about us, JP. Well, mostly about you. And it's mostly about the things you come home covered in. Like that time with the bees, or all the paint. Or the bees again.
I thought they may be fine.
JP, you're in middle school now. You need to start acting your age and be more responsible. Your friends here are younger than you, and just look at how clean they are. I'm gonna go fetch a towel.
Water comes down and
Jeez, comes down and gentle.
Laura!
Laura! Someone stole my
Nobody's
clothes!
JP. They're all dirty.
Oh. Well, can you stay home from work and wash them for me then?
Can you stay home for work and wash them for
You
me?
know all those sick people at the hospital. I'm gonna stay home and do your laundry.